I just went to POPB, and when I look at the POPB, I see in the center of the screen one vehicle alert. It says update successful. Check out what's new. So I press on it and it says software updates. Update successful. Received September 6, 2022. Check out what's new. Ford Power Up. Software updates like this enhance the quality, capability and convenience of the vehicle. What is in this update? It's a Ford Power Up. Minor updates here and there. Small changes here and there. Ongoing updates like this help you enjoy the best possible version of your Mustang Mach vehicle. Enjoy! This is Priority Update 2020 PU 0707 SCH POPB. So this update doesn't tell you much what it actually did, and we can't really say if it changed anything or enhanced anything or if it added anything. It happened many times that Ford doesn't tell us much about updates. So if you notice anything when you receive this update, please comment below. I would really like to know what's new with this. Maybe you see it and we could share each other with some information what changed with the car. And if you like this video, please comment below, like it and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos about updates, about tutorials, also about products which I recommend to this car. Thanks for watching and have a good day.